It's a strange time we're living in, distancing ourselves from others, and if nothing else, most of us have a lot of free time. If you do find yourself wondering how to kill time, here are 5 things you could take up that are easy to start. Learn something new. It's a great time to pick up a new skill, especially if you have a Mac. Apple is offering a 90-day trial on its premium video editing app Final Cut Pro X, so this should give you plenty of time to look up some great tutorials or YouTube videos on how to edit professionally on this great software. If you don't own a Mac, there are good options for PC, such as Adobe Premiere or LumaFusion on the iPad. Take a trip to a virtual museum. If you've ever wanted to explore the Louvre or see Tokyo but have never had the time, well, now you can, virtually. While you can use your phone or iPad to explore these spaces, the best way to experience it is to use a VR headset. Things like feeding a deer or facing a sumo wrestler will feel a lot more immersive. Play games. Apple Arcade is a great service that your entire family can enjoy. You do need to be on Apple's ecosystem as it only works on Macs or iOS devices, but there are plenty of games that you can either play yourself or with friends and family members. If you have a dedicated machine for gaming, such as a PC, console or handheld, there are a good number of games that were recently released to enjoy, such as Doom Eternal or Animal Crossing. Become a chef. Enjoying a freshly made meal with your own hands is quite the experience, and though it may appear challenging, there are services such as Kibsons or Hello Chef that sell DIY boxes with all the ingredients in their right quantities to get you started easily. You'll be making chicken match boos or a spicy lentil soup in no time. Discover a new podcast or create your own. There are plenty of podcasts on numerous topics that you can indulge in: current affairs, gaming, cooking, meditation, you name it. Even ones to keep your kids engaged, such as Wow in the World. If you can't find something that you particularly enjoy, why not start your own? Using your phone or laptop, you can easily record a podcast and publish it using apps such as Anchor.fm. Thanks for watching. For more in the world of tech, go ahead and subscribe to Tech Radar Middle East and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss a thing.